Good morning, class second. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, class, this is your maths period. Take out your maths book. Open your maths book. So, we were doing our chapter number 13, patterns. Yesterday, we have done number patterns. Today, we'll do some book exercises of this chapter. Okay? So come to page number 183, exercise 13B. Okay. Now read first question with me. Observe the following patterns and write them using numbers. Observe the following patterns and write them using numbers. So part A, count and write the number of apples. So this is 1 apple. Write 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. So हमने क्या करा plus 3. Then after 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 3. Then 8, 9, 10. How much? Plus 3. So the pattern is, which rule is this? कौन सा rule है इसमें? The rule to go from one number to the next is add 2. Add 2. कौन सा rule है ये? Sorry, add 3. कौन सा rule है ये? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हर नंबर में add 3 add कर रहे हैं. Okay? Next, count the fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 12. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Write 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6. So which pattern is this? Which rule is this? See, 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 12 से अगर हम 2 minus करेंगे, 2 subtract करेंगे तो answer will be 10. Next, if we subtract 2 from 10, answer will be 8. And if we subtract 2 from 8, answer will be 6. Okay? So, which rule is this? Take away 2 each time. Take away 2 each time. पढ़ा था ना हमने ये rule? Take away 2 each time. Now part C. Count and write 1. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. So which rule is this? इसमें कौन सा rule apply हुआ है? See, 1 multiplied by 3. 1 3s are 3. Then 3 3s are, if we multiply 3 by 3, answer will be 9. So 3 3s are 9. Then 9 3s are 27. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So which rule is this? इसमें कौन सा रूल अप्लाई हुआ है? Multiply by 3. Okay? Multiply by 3. Complete this question. Then turn the page and come to question number 2. Read the question with me. Write the next 4 terms in each number pattern. Write the next 4 terms in each number pattern. So we have to write the next 4 terms and complete these patterns. Okay. So first one is 0, 3, 6, 9. See, 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6 and 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So इसमें कौन सा रूल अप्लाई हुआ है? Add 3. So 9 के बाद add 3, 10, 11, 12. Then 13, 14, 15. Then 16, 17, 18. Then 19, 20, 21. Part B, 4, 9, 14, 19. So in part B, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 5. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So plus 5. It means you have to plus 5 in all the numbers to complete this pattern. ये आपको होमवर्क में करना है. Okay? Plus 5 in 19 and write here. Then add 5 in this number and write here. इसमें कौन सा रूल लगा है? Add 5. Okay? Now part C. 10, 15, 20, 25. Again, see, 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. 15 plus 5 is equals to 20. 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. Now next will be 25 plus 5 is equals to 30. Then 35 plus 5 is equals to 35. 35 plus 5 is equals to 40. And 40 plus 5 is equals to 45. So same rule will be applied in B and C part. Add 5. Then next 18, 25, 32, 39. See, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Which means 18 plus 7 is equals to 25. 25 plus 7 is equals to 32. 32 plus 7 is equals to 39. So next number will be 39 plus 7. Then next this number plus 7. So in this part rule will be add 7. Okay. Now part E. 40, 35, 30, 25. Now see, 40 minus 5 is equals to 35. 35 minus 5 is equals to 30. 30 minus 5 is equals to 25. So next number will be 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. Then next number 20 minus 5 is equals to 15 and so on. So in E part rule will be subtract 5. Okay. सी चिल्ड्रन, अगर नंबर्स इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हो रहे हैं, तो उसमें एडिशन का रूल लगेगा. ओके, ऐड सम नंबर. एंड अगर कोई सीरीज वो हो रही है, डिक्रीज हो रही है, तो वहां पे सब्ट्रैक्शन का रूल लगेगा. ओके. नाउ सी पार्ट एफ. 70, 60, 50, 40. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? नंबर्स डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं, कम हो रहे हैं. सो 70 क्या लगेगा इसमें? सब्ट्रैक्शन और एडिशन? Subtraction. Good. So 70 minus 60 is equals to 10. So 70 minus 10 is equals to 60. 60 minus 10 is equals to 50. 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. So next number will be 40 minus 10 is equals to 30. The next number will be 30 minus 10 is equals to 20. So इसमें कौन सा रूल लगा है? Subtract 10. Okay. Next is part G. 2, 4, 8, 16. So next 4 terms will be, see, 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 2 is equals to 4 2s are 8. 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. So next number will be 16 into 2 is equals to 32. Next number will be 32 into 2 is equals to 64, and so on. So in this part G, rule will be multiply by 2. Okay. अगर कहीं पे भी किसी भी सीरीज में नंबर रैपिडली इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, लाइक 2, 4, 8 एंड देन 16, तो वहां पे कौन सा रूल लगेगा? हमेशा मल्टीप्लीकेशन का रूल. इंक्रीज तो हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे नंबर, बट लेकिन रैपिडली इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. ओके. नाउ पार्ट H. 5, 10, 20, 40. Again numbers are increasing rapidly, like 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. All right. So rule will be multiply by 2. Now class, your homework is, that's all for classwork. Now your homework is, you have to complete all the patterns. You have to complete all the next 4 terms of these number patterns. Okay. यहाँ पे मैंने सबके rules लिख दिए हैं, किसमें कौन सा रूल अप्लाई होगा. इसकी हेल्प से आपको ये सारे पैटर्न्स क्या करने हैं? कंप्लीट करने हैं. ओके क्लास. And then do this question in your notebook. Question number 2. Okay class. So that's all for today. Thank you so much class. Second, take care. Bye bye.